Enjoy effortless cooking while adding a stylish touch to your kitchen thanks to this black gas cooker with a full-width grill from Beko. The main gas oven has an A+ energy rating and a medium-sized 61-litre capacity, whereas the second oven has an A energy rating and a small 27-litre capacity. There are 4 zones on the hob, ranging from 3 different sizes. This means there's loads of room for flexibility when cooking. The hob's rotary controls are designed with simplicity and ease of use in mind. With a simple twist of the dial, you can turn on each burner and alter the heat level to suit your needs. And because they are positioned at the front of the hob, you won't have to reach over any burners while cooking. So, you can prepare your favourite dishes with the minimum of fuss. This model has a conventional gas oven, which means you can enjoy flexible cooking. Because heat rises from the bottom of the oven, it creates different temperature zones. This means you can cook different foods at different temperatures. And you can use the grill setting in the second oven to get that crispy topping on your lasagna every time. Now you'll always impress your guests with delicious gourmet-style food. If you're looking for a gas cooker with a full-width grill to help you enjoy effortless cooking, this stylish black model from Beko is a great addition to your kitchen.